Air is composed of a mixture of gases, primarily nitrogen, about 78%, and oxygen, about 21%, along with small amounts of other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, and trace gases. While air is essential for the survival of many organisms, it is not visible to the naked eye. The invisibility of air is primarily due to its physical properties and the limitations of human perception. Transparency. Air is a transparent medium, meaning that it allows light to pass through it without significant absorption or scattering. Since our eyes rely on light reflecting off objects and entering our visual system to perceive them, air being transparent makes it impossible to see it directly. Refractive index. Air has a refractive index close to 1. This means that light traveling through air doesn't experience a significant change in direction unless it encounters a boundary with a different medium, such as water or glass. Because air and the surrounding atmosphere have similar refractive indices, light passes through them without bending noticeably. This lack of significant refraction further contributes to the invisibility of air. Lack of particles. Air contains gases rather than solid or liquid particles that are large enough to scatter light significantly. In contrast, substances like smoke, dust, or water droplets are visible because they can scatter or absorb light, making them appear opaque or translucent. Since air is composed of tiny gas molecules, these molecules are much smaller than the wavelength of visible light, making them invisible to our eyes. Human perception. Our visual system has evolved to detect and interpret light reflecting off objects, allowing us to perceive our surroundings. However, this system is limited to detecting a specific range of wavelengths known as the visible spectrum. Air does not interact with visible light in a way that triggers our visual receptors, making it impossible for us to perceive it directly. While air itself is not visible, certain factors can indirectly make it observable. For example, when air interacts with other substances or conditions, it can become visible. This can occur when air carries moisture that condenses into visible water droplets, such as clouds or fog, or when air causes objects to move, such as wind creating ripples on the surface of water or moving leaves on trees. In these cases, the air's presence is inferred through its effects rather than its direct visibility. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content like this. If you have any questions or want to share your own thunder experiences, feel free to leave a comment below.